In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do Baby Boomer Ombre nails. You'll need 2 colors of dip powder, one lighter and one darker. The darker color I'm using is the Rossi's Honeymoon powder. You will also need dip base and activator. I will also be using Igel Beauty's Easy Ombre liquid as well as their No Wipe top coat. The lighter color of dip powder I chose is Sparkle & Company's North Star Glow. First up, you are going to apply base and dip into the darker color of dip powder you have chosen. You will dip twice, brushing off your excess powder in between. Now you will apply your activator to harden the nails. Buff and file the nails until smooth. We will not be buffing again, so be sure to get the shape you desire. Next, you will wipe your nail with an alcohol pad so we can start our ombre design. In this next step, we'll be using Igel Beauty's Easy Ombre liquid. You will apply a thin coat to your nails, then cure in an LED lamp for 10 seconds. Now you will take a small brush and dip it into your lighter ombre color and slowly begin patting it onto the nail, working your way up so it is darker at the tip and lighter towards the center. Next, I take my original base color, dip my brush into that, and apply it to the rest of the nail, making sure to fill in all the gaps so my nail ends up smooth. Cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Apply a no wipe top coat, I'm using Igel Beauty's, and cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Here's the finished product. Be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and helpful tips.